Boom shakalaka, with continuing uncertainty in Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency markets, today's video, I'm going to go over how to sell the bottom and still be rich. You definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're going over how to sell the bottom and be rich. It seems counterintuitive, but if you bear with me, we will go over exactly how you can do this. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove, and let's get into it. Just push the like button. Try and get to 1,000 likes. Now, today at 13, we are still in extreme fear. And with extreme fear comes extreme uncertainty in the markets. The market's up 3% today. Bitcoin at 3113, Ethereum at 2021, BNB at 307, XRP 43 cents, Cardano 53 cents, Solana $51, and Dogecoin 8 cents. And guys, Token Metrics has just updated their entire platform. There is a new market page right here where you can find out pretty much everything that's going on, including these market indicators, breakout strategies, total market cap, bullish, bearish, Bitcoin versus altcoin season, volatility, sector analysis, daily performers, and market movers. And guess what? It's free for a week. So if you want to check it out, there is a link down in the description. And while you're down there, if you're looking for more crypto content, there is this great podcast that I've been listening to called Not Crypto Advice that goes over a lot of really interesting stuff about crypto, especially helpful for beginners. Now, today, Bitcoin still just hovering right above this dashed red line that I've had. The line in the sand that basically when Bitcoin goes below there, I get bearish. And as you can see, there is this yellow downtrend that right now, today, Bitcoin would have to break about $41,500 to invalidate this downtrend. Now, this downtrend is coming up with a multi-year uptrend, this dashed white line right here, roughly about October of this year. So towards the end of the year, we're going to have some fun stuff going on. But right now, if we take a look, the realized losses reaching bear market highs. As we can see down here, realized losses, pretty much we've seen it in serious bear markets before. Well, will this time be different and macro conditions drag us further, or will Bitcoiners stand the test of the time? Because this could potentially be the first recession that Bitcoin has to endure, and we'll have to see what's happening. But in case you guys don't know what's going on, this is basically what it's like. This was put together by the Rational Root and the Real Plan C. Basically, the Fed and Powell is stuck between recession and inflation. And what do? You either have recession or you have inflation. And that's basically what they're doing. Because of that, there's a lot of uncertainty. Nobody knows where the market is going to go. Nobody knows where Bitcoin price is going to go. But today's video, I'm going to share with you how to sell the bottom and still be rich. Because everybody's like, where's the bottom? How do I know when the exact bottom is so that I can buy the exact bottom and sell the exact top, because I need to do that exactly or else it's just crazy? Well, I think, and this is just my 2 cents, but I think you can still sell the bottom every time, which is historically not good. You're supposed to buy the bottom and sell the top. But you could sell the bottom literally every time and still be rich. And here's how. If we take a look at the Bitcoin bottoms, we can see this bottom back here in 2011, price was $2. This bottom back here in 2015, $160. This bottom back here in 2018, $3,155. This bottom in 2020, $4,034. This bottom here, potentially, if this is the bottom, in 2022, $25,000 some, $26,000. Now, I don't know about you, but I'll tell you what I see. I see that these numbers are continuing to go up. Not only the tops go up, but also the bottoms go up. The first time, it was about 80x. Then after that, about 20x. Then between 2018 and 2020, yeah, 1.3x. Not great returns there. But between 2020 and where we are now, the bottom, guess what? 6.3%. So if you would just be patient, and I think this is something that plagues a lot of people, patience. If you would just be patient, you could still sell the bottom. Maybe not sell all your position, but you could sell half of it, 75% of it, whatever you need to sell to be comfortable so you're not stressing about how much further it could go down, and you just hodl through the rest of it. Guys, you would still do phenomenally well. But this chart here is only 10 years of history, and that is not much to go on. So I took a look at another chart here. This is NASDAQ. Now, NASDAQ has been around for a bit longer. This chart is about 40 years of history. And why did I choose NASDAQ? Because it's particularly tech heavy. Like once Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies reach maturity, then we could probably expect to see returns like we see in NASDAQ. So let's take a look at NASDAQ and see what happens if you sold every single bottom. Didn't sell the tops, because the tops you're hodling is going to $100,000 or $1 million. But the bottoms, you freak out and you sell every single bottom. Well, the first one was $108, then $126, $164, $786, $1,004, $3,816, $5,846, $6,739, and $11,713. You know what happens with every single one of these bottoms? They're higher than the previous bottom. You can literally sell every single bottom, and as long as you don't sell your entire position, and as long as you don't get liquidated from margin trading, you can literally make money. Now, again, I talk about patience, because if we take a look, the real big gains here, like when this was 5x, this took a while. This was from 1990 until 2002. That's 12 years. That's a decade. Have you been in Bitcoin cryptocurrencies for a decade? I don't think so. Also, this one here, the 4x, this was from 2009 until 2016. 7 years. Have you been in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for 7 years? I doubt it. But that being said, I think the takeaways here is patience. And patience in the correct way. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. And you have to take a look at Bitcoin with this type of mentality. It's not just waiting, because you're going to have to wait anyways, okay? But it's keeping a good mentality. Because, yeah, the price will come down. But you know what comes after every single bear market? A bull market. It's like the seasons. After spring, every year comes summer, and after that comes fall and winter. So, that being said, I think patience is very, very important. You can still sell every single bottom and still make a lot of money. You just don't want to get liquidated on margin trading. And I know a lot of people are pushing margin trading because you can go 10x or 100x long, and you can also go short. And you know what? They're making an insane amount of money promoting that stuff. Hundreds of millions of dollars. They're buying mansions and Bugattis and living in Dubai. And you know how they're doing that? Not from margin trading. They're doing that from getting you to sign up and getting you liquidated. You losing all of your money is how they are getting hundreds of millions of dollars. So, that being said, have some patience. Be smart. Sell what you need to. If you're scared about the price going down lower right now, you're probably too far into your position. So, consider some risk management strategies. If you're not sure what that means, check out the video I made yesterday with Bill Noble and the Token Metrics team, talking particularly about risk management strategies. So that's all for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I'll catch you guys later. Love you. Peace.